Senior lawyer Gopal Subramaniam, former Solicitor General during the UPA government, has withdrawn from the race to become Supreme Court judge. The 56-year-old was one of the two lawyers nominated by a Supreme Court collegium. The former SG has shot a letter to the CJI confirming his decision. Sources say the NDA government was opposed to his candidature. Joining us from Congress headquarters, Nandita Suneja on the top story. Nandita, what could be the reason that the NDA government is opposed to his candidature? What sort of a version are we getting from Gopal Subramaniam himself?
Well, Gopal Subramaniam, though he's not speaking on record, sources say that he has decided to step away from the entire process itself. And what sources close to him are saying, as our reporters are reporting, is that in order to sort of preserve his self-respect, he's decided to withdraw his candidature completely for the post of a Supreme Court judge. Sources in the government, even the law minister is not really coming on record, but sources in government saying that the reason they don't want him to be included in the Supreme Court as a judge is because there is a question mark on how he behaved when he was the government Solicitor General and when he was fighting the government's case in the 2G case. There are reports that he was in fact in touch with a lawyer who was fighting the case for A. Raja, who was the accused in the entire case. So, citing propriety, citing the fact that there could be a taint on him, sources in government saying that they actually did not want him to be elevated to the position of a judge in the apex court. But this is becoming a political fight, and the Congress has come out in support of Gopal Subramaniam and has hit out at the BJP government for this entire fiasco.
All right, Nandita, thanks for that. Now, the Congress also questioning the government over former Solicitor General Gopal Subramaniam's letter to CJI. They say the government approach now is myopic and partisan.
Reports now coming that Gopal Subramaniam, the former Solicitor General when you were in government, has decided to withdraw his candidature for becoming a judge in Supreme Court, Manish. The Law Ministry had been sitting on his recommendation and government did not want him because they say that there was some taint regarding the time when the 2G investigation was on.
Well, I have also seen reports in the public space. I am not privy to the facts as to whether he has formally withdrawn his candidature or not. But indeed, if Mr. Subramaniam has decided to go down that path, it's a very sad day for the legal fraternity in India. Mr. Subramaniam is an extremely respected lawyer, and if at all, because of alleged character assassination, he has been compelled to take this step. It is only indicative of the manner in which this government has been attempting to steamroll appointments, and this touch me not Bashiria attitude which this government has been displaying, that anybody who was associated with the previous dispensation, whether in the capacity as a law officer or even in the capacity as an additional private secretary attached to any minister, is persona non grata, is